abiotic factors are non-living factors that affect living organisms within an ecosystem. So what are the abiotic factors that can affect living organisms? This is a plant, and the first abiotic factor is going to be water. Water affects moisture levels in the soil. Secondly, light intensity. Light intensity is another abiotic factor that can affect organisms in an ecosystem. Temperature is another abiotic factor. Temperature is a non-living factor that can affect organisms in an ecosystem. For plants, carbon dioxide concentrations in the atmosphere are an abiotic factor. Another abiotic factor is wind intensity. And for both plants and animals, and also prokaryotes, oxygen concentration is an abiotic factor. Mineral content in the soil is an abiotic factor for plants. pH levels in the soil are another abiotic factor. Now we're going to explain how these abiotic factors can affect living organisms. If there is no light or not enough light, the plant cannot photosynthesize, so it can die or not grow enough. If a living organism gets no water, it will die. If it's a plant, it is because it cannot photosynthesize, but an animal needs water to survive also. If it is too hot or too cold, plants can die because photosynthesis will not happen effectively. And in animals, if it is too hot or too cold and they can't regulate their body temperature, an animal can die as well. If the soil pH is too acidic or alkali, the plant can also die, or it can maybe struggle with its growth. If there is not enough oxygen for a living organism, that living organism will die. So these are how abiotic factors affect living organisms in an ecosystem. Press pause to answer the questions. The answers are going to follow, and if you're stuck, just rewatch the video. Press pause to go through your answers and make any corrections to your mistakes.